A man died this morning after he lost control of his pickup truck and went down a 20-foot embankment on Big Nickel Mine Road around 10:49 a.m.
They're not here. It's quite a bad accident. I just hope everybody's going to be okay. Pray for the people that are involved.
Firefighters extricated the driver from his vehicle using the jaws of life. He was transported to Sudbury Regional Hospital, where he died of his injuries. Big Nickel Mine Road will remain closed until the vehicle is pulled out of the embankment. The public is asked to find alternate routes and avoid the area. Check back to northernlife.ca for more information as it becomes available.